Okay, in this short video, I'm going to show you how to use this website to practice irregular verbs. This website page has the top 100 irregular verbs that we use in English, and these are verbs that you need to memorize the past tense and the past participle. For example, the first one, be is the verb. The past tense of be is was. The past participle was for be is been, and then for beat, the verb beat, like beat a drum, the simple past is beat, and the past participle is beaten. Okay, and you can check. And if you get it right, then you get all green check marks. Become, became, become. Okay, so that was kind of tricky. Begin, began. What do you think? Begun, begun, begin, began. I'll tell you what, let's make this one wrong. Begin. Let's just spell it wrong. All right, and check. And if you don't have it right, you get the X. All right. So use this website to practice the top 100 irregular verb forms, and then you'll be able to do well on a quiz.